So what we're going to demonstrate now is delivery from the delivery mechanism from your newsletter directly to your customers. And it will look like this. In this example, we have a QQQ trade that is popped in here where it says newsletter will be your name. You'll notice that the spread itself is highlighted, and it's also set up in the execution box here for your customer to possibly change the quantity and possibly change the price or not, depending on what they want. This will be, this is what has become an effective replacement for email. It will be faster, will be virtually no errors, less work for the customer, less work for you, and a significant edge over your competitors. There will be no programming for you to institute this. It reduces your customer support load and makes you the fastest, best in the business.